Hi students, it's ECAD Academy once again, and we'll continue with this question. It's one of the topic in Form 3, arithmetic series, geometric series, and this is geometric series question. From this question, we were told that given that 49, x and 81 are consecutive terms of geometric progression, find the value of x and geometric mean. So because these are the consecutive terms of geometric progression, the terms 49, x, 81, the ratio of consecutive terms is constant. So x over 49 is expected to be the same as 81 over x. So x squared will be 49 times 81, and eventually we get x is a plus or minus square root of 49 times 81. So what will be the whole of x? The whole of x will be plus or minus 7 times 9. X will be plus or minus 63. And because we can see that these numbers are positive numbers, so we can select only positive value here, and we can say that x is going to be 63, dear students. Now, what is geometric mean? Geometric mean you're having three consecutive numbers. Actually, the middle number is geometric mean of 49 and 81. So we can say that geometric mean of 49 and 81 is 63, dear students. Thank you.